Moist, fruity, delicious with a lovely texture and easy to make. A classic banana walnut cake. A cake that will keep very well but will be gone in minutes. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. New videos will be posted every week, and to not miss out, press the bell icon after subscribing. For the preparation, in a bowl, sift together 2 1/4 cup of refined flour or maida, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt or Indupu. Sift twice so that it is well combined, or you can also mix it. Take 6 to 7 overripe bananas. Overripe bananas will be fragrant and sweet and ideally suited for this recipe. Peel and mash. The measurement should be approximately 1 1/4 cup. To a bowl, add 1 2/3 cup of sugar and 2/3 cup of unsalted butter. I am using the same cup for all the measurements. Always use butter which is at room temperature. Mix well. Break and add 3 country eggs to this. Use an electric mixer or beater on slow speed and blend well. Add 2/3 cup of slightly sour buttermilk. Blend. Add the mashed banana. Mix well. Now add the flour. Add little by little and gently fold it in. Check the consistency. The consistency is a little thick, so I am adding 1/4 cup of water. It should be of dropping consistency. Add 2/3 cup of coarsely chopped walnuts. Walnuts give a crunchy flavor to the cake. Fold it into the mixture. Preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I have prepared the baking tray by greasing it with butter and dusting with flour. Line the base with baking paper if required. Pour the mixture into the prepared tins. Bake at 165 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. To know if it is done, insert a sharp instrument. Ideally, a toothpick is used. It should come out clean. Place the cake on a cooling rack. Allow it to cool down completely. Bake 2 batches of cake with this batter in a tin loaf and an oval mold. The oval mold being smaller, it took less time, 35 to 40 minutes, for it to be baked. Once it has cooled down, loosen the edges of the cake with a knife and invert the mold. Remove the baking paper from the cake. Turn it upside down. Cut into slices. This cake requires no icing, is moist, and will keep very well. Perfect for an afternoon tea. If you like the recipe, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.